My name is Luke Pickrell, and I am the owner of MonteVista Homes. Managing our business before MarkSystems was complete and total chaos. We were trying to manage a home building operation using Excel spreadsheets. Every department had their own systems. We realized that it wasn't possible to keep doing things the way that we were doing them, and switch to an ERP system and really a platform of solutions was necessary. We get all of the various solutions to run the various components of our business under one umbrella, and they all speak to each other. Our revenues and margins prior to MarkSystems, we were doing roughly 75 homes a year, about 25 to 30 million in revenue, at roughly 28% gross margins. We're running variance numbers of 0.5% of direct cost as a company. And if you have spent any time in home building, I'm here to tell you that 0.5% of direct cost is best in class home building. Today, we're doing 150 to 200 homes a year. We're doing close to 90 million in revenue and gross margins of 31 to 32%. We used to need a lot of people to keep up with the data entry responsibilities of the company. And now with MarkSystems, we're able to have a select group of people that are running each portion of the business, but we need less overall people doing the data entry, and we can then deploy those resources and those people to grow other areas of the business. I would encourage everyone to look at a platform rather than an individual solution. And that's what you get with ECI. You get a platform of products that integrate, that talk to each other. You get a support system of an outstanding company of individuals that really care about the customer. They really care about home builders and the home building industry. And for my money, there's nothing better than ECI and its platform of products.